Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. Patrick here. Now, things are getting crazy around here. I know it seems like there's a new face every single time you walk into the clinic. Well, I have one more for you. I want to introduce the newest member to our family, Erin Tong.
Hello everyone, I am a family nurse practitioner and I am really excited to be here at the clinic. Now, if you would like to meet me in person, you can on December 14th. Patrick, what's going on that day?
Yeah, guys, if you've been with us for a while, you know we do this every year. We're having a holiday party, the gift of health. It's open to anybody who would like to join us. December 14th, that's a Tuesday from 6 to 8 p.m. If you're interested, please go visit our website, RSVP, under events page.
Oh,
And we look forward to seeing you there.
I'm gonna go do it now. I'll see you there.